Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 27 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is numbers. So I've got all these numbers here. Polka dots. So I'm going to use this as background paper. Something that sits on a table. I've got this glass. Flying insects. I've got these butterflies. Train, plane, or automobile. And I've got this plane. And the bonus is a key, and I've got this key. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP27 to see what everyone else has made. So I'm going to go ahead and put down my prompts. Well, I hope everyone had a wonderful 4th who celebrates the 4th of July. I hope I did. I'm filming this on Friday, so I'm not sure. My husband and youngest son both had to work, and my oldest son's going to his girlfriend's. They are going with her parents and celebrating. So I'm sure they'll have a good time. All right. I think I hear fireworks now. All right, there we go. So I think what I'm going to do first here is I'm just going to put down a few of these numbers, just scatter them around and make it part of the background. Let's see if I can get them off. There's some old stickers that I found. I don't know how old they are. They don't want to come apart. I'm trying to use up some stuff. I've been working on cleaning my room, and it's a slow go. Let's see here. Just one bite at a time. I just get these all off. I just want it to be, let's say, part of the background. My husband and I have been watching Blue Bloods, and that's been really good. We have really been enjoying that. We enjoyed Elementary, which we have already watched once before. This was a rerun. But it's nice sometimes to rewatch something that you know that you liked. Especially if you get a hold of one that ended up not ending the way you wanted it to. I hate when you invest in a great series only for it to end badly. Make no sense. Okay. And I think can't believe there's no zeros on here. Must have used them all. I think there should have been some there. Oh well. Let me see. That should do it. Now I want my glass to kind of go in the corner here. I may end up having to add a few more numbers. We'll see. And I'm going to tuck that plane there. And we have got butterfly there, one there, one there, and our key. Let's see. scoot that over. Yeah, I'll probably have to tuck in a few more numbers. Okay, let's get our plane down first. Figure out I'm almost finished with my black and white. I just got a few more pockets to add. And what I think I'm gonna do for July is I have got about 3 little journals that I almost finished at Christmas time. They're Christmas journals, but I didn't get finished with them. So I think Christmas in July, it would be good to go ahead and finish up those journals and get them into my Etsy shop. Let's say it's too early for Christmas, but us crafters know if you don't start early, it won't get done. And even though I started early, I had a lot going. I was working on 3 at the same time. And I want to be able to work on a new one closer to Christmas. And for long, we'll be starting our fall journals. Whatever, gouged out my glue good. Paper towel. Butterfly. So let me grab my pen. Find it. One thing about cleaning, you lose everything. Twisted. I have a glare from my, oh well, it's just gonna have to stay twisted. I have a glare from my light and my glasses. It hits my glasses and it makes it hard sometimes. But I guess I'm just gonna have to deal with a crooked glass here. I want to make it pop from the outside, so I'm just going to go around it. I want to go around their fingers. Good, sticky. I'll go around my butterflies. And this is an unnecessary step, I know, but I just think it makes the collage pop. Because sometimes it can just get lost on your page. It has been so hot and humid. We did get rain a couple of days, and it was lightning real bad a while ago, earlier on today. And I think in North Mississippi it was pretty rough. They were talking about hail and stuff, and there was thunderstorm warnings. We needed it was dry out there. My husband cut grass and weed eated this week, and it was rough out there. Had heat advisories. And it's so humid in Mississippi. I have relatives that from California and Arizona and all over the world, or all over the United States, and it's like they just could not imagine we'd have family reunions, and it would rotate, you know, where we would go. We didn't get to go out west, and my daddy just couldn't get enough time off, you know, to be able to do that. But when they would come to Mississippi, they were just like, wow, because it would usually be around August. They had no idea. All right, I'm just going to add a few more numbers here. Fill those holes that got covered. Probably should have put them on afterwards, but I didn't, so there you go. It's good to use up some of these things. Get them off. Alrighty. Now I'm just gonna finish this off with splatters. I guess I won't be a rebel this week. I want my splatters. I appreciate y'all that thought that was funny. Okay. And there we go. I'm gonna call that finished. So we have, let's see, make sure we got everything. We have got our numbers, polka dots, something that sits on a table. We've got our glass, flying insects. We've got our butterflies, train, plane, or automobile. We've got our plane, and the bonus is a key, and we've got our key there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. I hope your week's wonderful too. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP27 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. I love you. Bye, y'all.